Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be recreating the most scariest movie character ever for Halloween for you guys 2020. So it's none other than Annabelle 2. Yeah, I'm going to be recreating her. She's a beautiful yet creepy doll and she has a very beautiful creepy eyes and more creepier smile. So we are going to recreate that. For that, I'm going to be priming my face with this primer water from Smashbox. First, I'll be spraying it all over my face and I'll let it dry for like 1 or 2 minutes. So for priming my skin, I'm going to be using MAC Strobe Cream in pink light variant. I'm going to be using this because I want a nice glowy skin, guys, as Annabelle does. So I'm applying all over my face so it gives a nice beautiful glow from within look. And for foundation, I'm going to be using the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. I'm in the shade 04 Medium Beige. I'm going to mix it with LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation, Illuminating Foundation in the shade White. So I'm going to be mixing both the foundation to get a sort of dirty porcelain doll kind of look. Dirty is not in the sense, in a very gross sense. It's like a physical dirt. So it gives a nice white porcelain doll sort of color, which is absolutely not my skin shade. So I'm going to be applying that all over my face and neck as well, because I'm going to be doing a little bit of detail on my neck as well. So I'm going to be applying it on my face and neck. So this is how my face looks. Now I'm going to cover both my brows because Annabelle has really high set brows. So I'm going to be drawing that high, but before that I'm going to be hiding my brows with the help of the soap. So first I'm scraping the soap and applying it with the spoolie. I'm just making my eyebrows stand straight with this soap. So then setting with the Luxury Banana Powder from Makeup Revolution. So this is how my brow looks, guys. It's very scary to me, at least. Actually, it's totally gone. So now, to highlight a few points like Annabelle, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium. It is 2-3 shades lighter than my skin tone. So I'm going to be applying it, applying in this region, just like Annabelle does. She has a nice highlight going on in these places. So I'm going to be doing the exact same and blending it with the beauty sponge. I'm not going to blend it completely, but just like so. And for blush, I'm using the Color Bar blush. So this is a nice rosy magenta rose kind of blush that exactly matches Annabelle's blush, guys, and it's beautiful. And I'm going to be applying it in the center of my cheeks like how she has. So that is what I'm doing here. This looks so creepy, guys. And now I'm setting my whole face with the Luxury Banana powder from Makeup Revolution. Don't forget the neck, guys. And I'm taking the Huda Beauty Tantour in the shade Medium. And I'm creating these loft lines because she has got a very creepy loft line. So I'm recreating this exact same thing. First I drew the line and I'm blending it with the help of the blending brush to give a more natural look to it. And I'm doing the other side as well. Blending it again. And just blending it with the beauty blender. And I'm also creating a line like so to just give a more chiseled look like the Annabelle does. So this line creates a very different jawline, you guys. It's not like a very normal person has this. It's a very creepy jawline. And I'm also going to be taking the same Huda Beauty Tantour and putting it around the eyes to get, a more sunken look. And I'm also going to be contouring the nose because she has really, really sharp nose. Very, very rustic. It looks very, very rustic. So I'm also going to be using this same Tantour and putting it around the eyes to create more shadow, because she has got a nice shadow going on around the eyes as well. So I'm doing the exact same thing. And I'm also going to be taking the line further, and I'm going to be connecting it like a contour and blending it really well because she has a nice darkness going on there. And with the help of the stippling brush and the same Huda Tantour product, I'm just going to be creating texture, guys. Just press it against your skin and you'll get a nice texture because it's a creepy doll and she has got a nice texture going on. So this really does the job well. I'm doing that, as you can see, and I'm also doing it on the neck as well. Don't forget the neck, guys. I'm doing it on the neck as well. You can see it. Very, very creepy. And I'm taking Nykaa gel liner and I'm going to be uh, creating a line like so, just like Annabelle has. This line makes it feel like her head goes down and she can tilt her head or in all four directions. So that is what we are creating here. And with the help of the Tanto, I'm smudging the black liner. And I'm taking the same eyeliner and I'm smudging it. First I'm applying and smudging it because she has a nice smoky eye effect going on. So I'm doing the same. Don't be very precise. Just go ahead, apply and smudge with the help of your finger only. You don't have to be precise, guys. Just go ahead and do it. You don't have to be neat, as I said before. I'm doing the exact same the other eye as well. And now with the same gel eyeliner, I'm creating high set eyebrows like Annabelle does. And for lipstick, I'm using the Nykaa lipstick in the shade Maharani and applying it. I'm not going with the same lip shape of mine. I'm just trying to recreate the Annabelle lip shape. And I'm also going to be using the same Tanto of Huda Beauty Tanto product. And I'm creating more shadow around the mouth, guys, like what she has. This shadow just makes the look very, very creepy, as if that she's, whispering something to your ears, and it's very, 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 very scary. This makes the look very, very creepy and scary. Take your time and blend, guys. And I'm applying mascara. The mascara I'm applying is the Maybelline Push Up Falsies mascara. So this really gives a nice fluttery lashes. I'm doing it on my upper lashes and the lower lashes. This was actually not enough, guys. I drew the lashes with the help of the eyeliner. So this gave a very, very fake eyelashes look. And I'm going to highlight few places like the lip, she had nice lip highlight going on, so I just did that. And just few more places like forehead and cheeks, nose, here and there, guys. So this really pulls the look together. This really gives a very porcelain doll like look, so don't skip this step. Very creepy. And now for the last part, we are going to be making a blood tears. So this, just even thinking of it makes my skin crawl. Oh my god. So I'm just using the same lipstick that I used on my lips, and I'm creating tear. And I'm gonna wear my wig and I'll be right back, guys. So this, guys, is the finished look. I hope you all guys enjoyed. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll hopefully catch you all guys in my next interesting video. Bye.